Dear viewer, welcome to Polished Humans. Today we are looking at the best free training for affiliate marketing. Usually, my advice is that you do not need affiliate marketing training as there is sufficient material on YouTube. However, given the benefits and bonuses you get from this specific training, which I will reveal in a moment, I have changed my mind. Let us first go over the benefits you get from this training. Benefit 1. You get a full business strategy with ready-made templates. Benefit 2. You will get email marketing templates. Benefit 3. Full access to private group chat with the trainer and other individuals who had gone through the training. This is a great way to have constant help whenever you need it. Benefit 4. You get pre-made funnels and templates made by experts. Benefit 5. It is free and takes place over a period of 5 days, making sure you do not walk away empty-handed. You get your own business and branding ready and online. Here is a breakup of the program over 5 days. Day 1. The 5-step system for your first commission, then many more. Day 2. Choosing your niche and product to earn commissions from. Day 3. Watch me build a business in 20 minutes. Day 4. Getting unlimited traffic. Day 5. Launching your business. The person who will train you is a respected individual in the affiliate marketing space and is none other than Chad Bartlett.
So what if I told you that in the next 5 days, you could copy the business model of a worldwide super affiliate, make your first commission, then many more, all without developing a product, making a video, or having a huge budget? Listen, you've seen all the business models out there, whether it's Amazon FBA, drop shipping, starting a marketing agency, stock trading, crypto. These are all the business models constantly being pitched down your throat. And take it from me, when I first got started, I spent nearly $20,000 on courses just trying to figure out how to make my first dollar online. And it wasn't until I found this one and only business model where really everything changed for me. In fact, shortly after I found it, I was making a full-time income from home, and I quit my job and dropped out of school on the same exact day. And since then, I still do this business model today. And as you can see, I have generated over $500,000 in commissions with just this one product. And I even became #1 affiliate for a massive software company. Now, how did I do this so fast, and what the heck is this business model I'm talking about? Well, we're using a little something called OPP. You see, all these so-called hot business models that I listed out before all require you to do a couple things, which includes making your own product and investing thousands of dollars to actually get started. But when you're promoting other people's products that are already proven to sell, that you actually get a commission for as an affiliate, all you have to do is focus on the marketing. So you can get rid of all the time-consuming tasks that it takes to actually start and run a business, like handling customer support, dealing with shipping times, investing in inventory, learning how to collect payments, do taxes. All that stuff gets thrown out of the way because gets taken care of by the product owner. When you're an affiliate of other people's products that are already proven to sell, right? All you have to do is get good at one thing, and that is marketing. So if you want to start something real and get rid of all the hot business models that only work for around 1% of people out there, and you want to switch to something that works for over 90% of people, then I want to invite you to my brand new 5-day challenge called Your First Commission, where I'm going to walk you through click by click, step by step, exactly how to go out there and make your first commission online, then many more in just 5 days, selling other people's products as an affiliate. The best part about this is in this 5-day challenge, I'm actually gonna prove this business model works. So even if you tried affiliate marketing in the past and you failed, right, I'm actually gonna be building the business live, right? So you'll see me go out there and pick a niche, pick a product to promote and earn commissions from, build an entire funnel around it, see me get traffic, and actually see me getting sales, right? You're gonna see real case studies, real examples that you can go out there and model for your own success. And listen, in my career, the past 3 years, I've made over $700,000 in commissions. So I know in this 5-day challenge, I can help you make your first one. So what I'm doing, instead of charging you money for this challenge, you will need one tool to actually go out there and build your funnel, host your websites, and actually do your email marketing. So instead of charging money, all you're gonna have to do is actually sign up to a trial of a software called Builderall, which is actually the tool we use to build everything out in this 5-day training. That way, when you join, you know there's not going to be any upsells, and you also know that you're going to have all the tools and training you need to actually get started with this. Now, you might be wondering, Chad, why would you do all this for free? What's the catch here? And really, right, I just want to show you and prove to you that I can actually help you by helping you first. I want to prove to you that I can help you make your first commission online in these 5 days. And if I'm able to do that and it's able to help you change your life, right, I know that maybe you'll probably want to work with me on our more personal coaching programs, or you'll want to buy one of my courses or something like that, right? So I'm willing to give you all this away for free because I know I can actually help you, and in return, you might do business with me later on. But first, I want to prove myself to you. I want to show that I can actually help you make your first dollar online. And like I said, all you have to do is sign up to a trial of Builderall using the button below. And once you sign up, you'll actually be able to start the 5-day training challenge and get started from there. So don't overlook this offer. This challenge could literally change your life. I know this business model has for me, and dozens, even hundreds of our students have gone through this exact 5-day training and went out there and made their first commission online. You can see all the students who are getting results on the screen. Again, they went through the exact same training that you're gonna go through if you sign up to this challenge today. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it made sense. And if you're ready to get started and go out there and make your first commission online, then many more, go ahead and click the link below to go ahead and sign up to Builderall. Sign up to a trial and you'll get free access to this 5-day training challenge. Plus, if you join today, you'll also get all kinds of bonuses that I'm actually throwing in as well. You can read some of them down below. Some of the bonuses will include case studies of real affiliates making a full-time income. You're gonna get real funnels that you can actually download into your Builderall account, which is another reason that you're gonna need to sign up to a trial of that software. So anyways, now is the time to get started. Go ahead and click the link below. I'm super excited to see you in this 5-day training challenge, and I will see you inside of day 1 in just a minute.